Hello students, today we are going to discuss about median. Median is a positional average, that is, it is defined as the mid value of the observation. So if you have the odd number of observations, say your n is suppose 11, you have to make the middle point of the distribution, that is the median of the distribution. So the first step to find the median is to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Okay, first you have to arrange your data in ascending order, then you have to make two equal part. Your data you have to make two equal part. So median of a distribution is the data which divide into two equal part. For example, see, median is the value of n plus 1 by 2th observation when n is odd. If you have 11 number of observations, suppose this is your data, and first step is to arrange the data in ascending order. You have to arrange the data in ascending order. So first you arrange the data in ascending order, then you have to find the n plus 1 by 2th observation, that is the middle point of this observation. We know that the middle point of the observation is 6th value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the middle point. This value divide the distribution into two equal part. This value divide the distribution into two equal part. So this is the median of the distribution. Median of the distribution. So here our n is odd. When our n is odd, it is easy to make the distribution into two equal part. Okay. Now when we have even number of data. Okay, when we have even number of data, the formula is 1 by 2 of n by 2th and n plus 1 by 2th observation. That is, when you have even number of data, you have two midpoint, right? If you have say n is 8, then you have, what is the midpoint of this data? These two become the midpoint of the data. First you have to arrange the data in ascending order. I arranged the data in ascending order. Then these two term will become the midpoint of this data. So you have to find the arithmetic mean of these two observations. Then you will get the median of this observation. So to find the median of the data, first you have to arrange the data in ascending order, and if your n is odd, it is very easy to make the midpoint. Okay, you can easily find the midpoint of the value, and that value is your median. Okay, now if your n is even, what you have to do? You have to take the midpoint of the two values. You will get 2 points. If your n is even, you will get two midpoints, and you have to take the arithmetic mean of these two variables. Okay, that is the median of this observation. Okay, now let's see what is the median of the frequency data, ungrouped data. Okay. So now let's see how to find the median for ungrouped data. Okay, the first step is to form a less than cumulative table. First step is to form a less than cumulative table, and I will show you how to find the less than cumulative table. The next step is to find n by 2, and we have to find the corresponding observation against the cumulative frequency, include n by 2 for the first time. Okay, so let's do one problem. The problem is marks is equal to 9, 20, 25, 40, 50 and 80, and the frequency is 4. 9, 4 and 6, 16, 8, 7, 2. Okay, so the first step is to find less than cumulative frequency. To find the less than cumulative frequency, first we have to write the frequency as itself. First frequency is same as itself. Then you have to add the next frequency with the first frequency. So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Okay, now we have to add the next frequency. What is the next frequency? 16, and we have to add 10 plus 16, that is equal to 26, and we have to add the next frequency, that is 26 plus 8, that is equal to 34, and next is 34 plus 7, that is equal to 41, then next is 41 plus 2, that is equal to 43. So in this way you have to find the less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency is how we can find less than cumulative frequency by adding up the frequencies. First you have to write the first frequency itself, then you have to add the frequency. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, like that. Okay, so the first step is to find the less than cumulative frequency, and the next step is to find the n by 2. We know that in the frequency case n is, what is n? Sigma f is our n. So we have to find n by 2, that is our sigma f is 43. Here 43 is the sum, so we need to find the n by 2, that is 43 by 2, that is equal to 21.5. Okay, so now the last step is we need to find the corresponding observation against the cumulative frequency that include n by 2 for the first time. We have to see in which cumulative frequency this n by 2 includes. We know that our cumulative frequency is 4, 10, 26, 34, 41 and 43. Okay, now our n by 2 is 21.5 and it includes for the first time in 26, right? In 26 our n by 2 is including for the first time. In 10 it is not included. So in the first time our cumulative frequency is included in 26. Okay, so we need to take the corresponding x as the median. Okay, we know that 2.5 is included first time in 26. So hence our median is not 26. We have to find the median mark here. Mark is given. Okay, so we need to find the median mark. Okay, the 26 is our less than cumulative frequency. So 26 is not our median is corresponding that x. The x value is what? 25 is our median. Clear? So for the ungrouped data we have to find the cumulative frequency, less than cumulative frequency, and next step is to find n by 2. We need to find n by 2, n is sigma f, and after that we have to find the value which include n by 2 for the first time. We have to find the value of cumulative frequency which include n by 2 for the first time. Our n by 2 is 21.5. Okay, so we need to look in which cumulative frequency this 21.5 is included. We know that 4 there is no 21.5, here also there is no 21.5, here in 26 this n by 2 is included for the first time. So the corresponding x, this is our x, marks is considered as our x, the corresponding mark is our median. Clear? Now let's see how to find the median for grouped data. Okay. Now median for grouped data. In grouped data we know that our marks is grouped as classes. Okay, we have seen in that in the last class. So we have a class of data. Marks are classified into different classes. So first we need to find the median class. Okay, to find the median class we have to find we have to follow the same step as in the ungrouped data. That is, first we have to find the less than cumulative frequency, and we have to find n by 2, and we have to look in which cumulative frequency n by 2 is included for the first time. Okay, that is the same as our ungrouped data. After that we will get a class that is called a median class. Okay, after that we have to apply one formula, that is L plus n by 2 minus m by f into c. Okay, so let's see how the problem works. So the problem is our class is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50, and the frequency is 14, 23, 27, 21 and 15. And the first step is to find less than cumulative frequency. We know how to find the less than cumulative frequency. First you write the first frequency in the corresponding to the frequency itself. Then next you have to add 23, so 14 plus 23, that is 37. Next is 37 plus 27, that is 64, and 64 plus 21, that is 85, and 85 plus 15, that's equal to 100. Now the next step is to find n by 2. Our n is 100. Here the total frequency is 100. So n by 2 is 50. Okay, now let's see in which cumulative frequency this n by 2 include for the first time. Okay, so here 50. So let's see. In this 64, this 50 include for the first time. So this is our median class. This is not our median, this is only our median class. If it is an ungrouped data, the corresponding value, corresponding mark is our median. But here we have classes, not mark, we have class marks. So this is not our median, this is our median class. From this median class, we have to find out the median by using this formula. So let's see what is the notation stands for. Okay. First is L. What is L? L is the lower boundary of the median class. We know that 20 to 30 is our median class. So the lower boundary is equal to 20. Okay. So L is equal to 20, and next is n. N we know that n is our total frequency, and n by 2 is n is 100 and n by 2 is 50. Clear? Now the next term is M. M is the cumulative frequency just above the median class. Not the cumulative frequency of the median class, it is the cumulative frequency just above the median class. This is our median class and this is our cumulative frequency of the median class, but here our M is the cumulative frequency just above the median class, that is 37 is our M. Okay, M is 37. So remember, the M is not the cumulative frequency of the median class. M is the cumulative frequency just above the median class, that is 37. Okay, now what is C? C is the class interval. What is the class interval? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. So 10 is our class interval. So C is equal to 10, and F, we know that F is our frequency, that is the frequency of the median class. See, what is the frequency of the median class? 27 is the frequency of the median class. So you have to just substitute this in the formula. So you have to by heart the formula, that is L plus n by 2 minus M divided M into F divided by into C divided by F. Okay. Now you have to substitute the value. L is 20 plus 50 minus 37 divided by 50 minus 37 into 10 divided by F. F is 27. So our answer is 24.81. Hope you understood the topic. Thank you.